Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set only me featured photos in Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step that you need to do is to open Facebook. Once you open Facebook, you simply need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on see your profile. And here you need to scroll down. So here is your profile, and here you can see collection. Click on any of the one. So here you can see that you find three dots, and here you have different options that it edit, feature collection, delete, save photo, and something went wrong. So first step you need to do is to click on save photo. Once you save that in your gallery, you simply need to click on three dots and click on delete featured collection and click on OK. So now it is deleting. So this is the only method by which you can set only me featured photos in Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.